Hello guys, welcome back to Jobinos Gaming and Kills YouTube channel. Today, we received a package with a background and the ring light. So, I just wanted to unbox it with you guys, and then let's see how it goes. I will make my videos with that. It's actually a green screen, and we will make pictures with the ring light.
You want some help?
I don't know. Maybe. Wait. Nope, I got it. What was that?
It's quite big.
Yeah. And right now, it's not even the full size. It's gonna be a lot bigger. I feel like.
Are you sure this is the background? Maybe it's the ring light?
No, I think it's the background.
Let's open it.
Okay. There is. It feels like there's something to unbox inside of it. What did I just say?
Oh, good.
This looks good. Wow. My first green screen ever. Art first.
Is it yours?
No, it's not. I mean, like, I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use it, but it's not mine. I'm just gonna go through it.
Just be careful not to cut it.
Yeah, I just want to make a little hole too. Oh, yeah.
That's cool.
Yep, it is.
It's double side.
Oh, wait.
Whoa.
Oh, gosh. Okay, it's a lot bigger than I thought. I think it's gonna break everything here.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Woo! Oh, this is big.
This is a lot bigger than I thought.
This is big.
Yeah, let's get it back in his package. Yep. Okay, so we placed it so that it couldn't really move and we could see it correctly. So this is 6 foot wide by 7. So this is the ring light. I can't wait to use it. Right here on the back, we see everything that it contains. Like, this is the ring light itself, and
There's a stand.
yeah, the stand. I think those are to those are to grip your phone to the stand, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Super excited to use it to do pictures. I think it's gonna be really cool. Okay, so I won't use this only for pictures. The ring light will help me also to film my videos and everything like that. So I hope you really enjoyed the quality upgrade of my for my channel. So I'm doing this with a lot of upgrades because I really love the idea of doing my channel, and I think it's gonna be a great success. And if it's gonna be a great success, then we want it to be well organized. So I'm really happy with the stuff I got, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.